Alright, speech students, how's it going? Heard from a couple of you through email. What is this? Lenovo requires you install these updates to optimize your computer. Alright, well, I'm in the middle of a video, so I'm going to cancel that. Heard from a couple of you on the email, which is great. I hope all is doing well. I can't imagine what it's like to be a student, but I obviously know what it's like to be a teacher, and it is difficult. So I imagine that it's equally as difficult for you to transition into this. But we are going to get going. We're going to get going, and we're going to run our speech class through Flipgrid. So I know I had talked with all of you before we had this, postponement of school, but we're going to get, and I asked you if you knew Flipgrid and how to use it, and you all said yes, but I'm going to do a quick tutorial video here. So if you notice here, like through my introduction video, you see in my instructions for week 1 that after you watch my instruction video, the first thing is get joined to Flipgrid. My flip code is Thomas8754. So I'm going to show you how to do it online first. So you're just literally going to go to, let me move this up a little bit, essentially just www.flipgrid.com. And it's going to look like this. If you scroll down, it's going to show enter a flip code. So what did we say my code was? Thomas8754, and then you are going to just hit go to my grid. It's going to bring you to this. Oh, Coronavirus Speech Class by Logan Thomas, Mr. Thomas for all of you. That sounds like the class I need to be in. So you're going to log in with your Google email. This is mine right here, and it's literally so easy that it just pulls you right to this once you're logged in with your Goodhue Google Mail account. And the first prompt that we have right here is informative speech, and I just simply say, students, please upload your informative speech by April 3rd. Reach out to me if you have any questions. And then when you are ready to record your speech, you just simply hit this plus sign. So you hit that, and then all of a sudden, boom, video, here I am. I know I look a little bit different because I don't have my hair gelled up. I'm in my home making this, but want to show you a quick video on how to do this on your phone. So if you have a smartphone, which I'm assuming most of you do, and I truthfully think all of you do because I catch you all on it a lot of the time when you shouldn't be. You know who I'm talking to. But you pretty much just go to your app store, which I think we all know what that is. All right. Once your app store gets pulled up, you essentially just type in Flipgrid and you download it. The app will look like this. I know it's, where's my camera? As you can tell, I'm new to this as well. Okay, it'll look like this one right here. The green plus. All right, you just click on that. It's going to ask you to sign up with your Google. You enter the flip code, which is on Schoology, and you can do all of your speeches from your phone. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And why don't you all say hello to Frankie? Frankie, say hi. Say hi to everybody. All right, take care, everybody.